How to delete Reddit posts fast. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that fast. So it was very easy. For that you need to download Reddit app in your mobile phone. You guys can download it in Android from Play Store, or in iPhone you guys can download it from App Store. Once we download it, simply click on Reddit app. Now wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see popular home celebrities, but we will simply click on down right side profile pic. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see posts, comments, about. Also you guys can see I posted something. So for deleting fast, I will simply click on that three dots. Now here you guys will see follow post, save, delete. So simply click on delete, and once I click on delete it will say cancel delete. So I'll simply click on delete, and that's it, my post will be deleted. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.